here you see...
After a series of experiments in a UCLA lab, scientists made a life-changing discovery. The team was able to slow down the aging process of fruit flies.
We made this dramatic discovery that the normal animals, as I say, started to die as we would expect around after 5-6 weeks, and had a maximum lifespan of around 2 months as we would expect. But these animals where we boosted this single gene in one tissue of the animal lived almost 50% longer.
By manipulating a gene in fruit flies, scientists were able to increase the activity of mitochondria, the tiny power generators in cells that control their growth.
They were a little bit more active. They continued to feed and behave, engage in the same sort of behaviors that fruit flies do, just for longer. So we think we're not just extending their lifespan, we're actually extending their healthy days or weeks of life.
The experiment specifically delayed cellular changes in the intestine.
This is telling us that it's important to maintain a healthy intestine in terms of your longevity.
Interestingly, the gene has the same function in fruit flies and mammals, but don't expect any human experiments anytime soon.
These findings are still very new in the fly. The question of their relevance to humans or mammals at least will hopefully, we'll figure that out in due course. I would argue that at the very least, it's an interesting avenue to explore.
Felipe Maya, CBSNews.com.